The Battle of Ogoula Tchetoka began at dawn on, I believe, March 26, 1736. And it opened with a sort of a surge from the Town Creek floodplain. It was a series of ridges in northwest Tupelo where Chickasaw Old Town Chuckalissa site is located today. And the Chickasaws had a series of forts, or palisades, keep-style forts on top of these ridges. And they were surrounded by fortified cabins and winter houses, which had a sort of clay plaster walls that were relatively bulletproof to the flintlock muskets of the day. And also relatively fireproof because the domes of the roof were daubed over with clay as well, and then covered with an exterior thatch to keep the rain off the clay, but you couldn't burn the house down just by lighting the roof.